Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to sell items on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead to the official Craigslist.org website right here, and after opening up the website guys, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So if you do not know how to log into your account, you want to go ahead and click the account button right here in the upper right corner, click on account and enter in your login info or create a new account if you do not already have one. And after doing that guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Craigslist. And now guys, after you have logged into your account, we can go ahead and get started with selling items. So guys, to be able to get started to sell items, what we want to do is go ahead and click on this post button right here next to the account button. So guys, go ahead and click on post right here. And this will now take us to this new page where we can get started with posting an ad on Craigslist for what we want to sell. So guys, go ahead and select which location fits the best for you. Go ahead guys and select the location again. And now you can select what you're selling. Maybe you're offering a job, or you're offering some housing, or some option like this where it is for sale by owner. I'm going to go ahead and select this because we're selling something, and let's select what we are selling. Let's say we are selling jewelry. Click on that option guys, and now this will take us to this new page where we can enter the info of the item we are selling. So what we can do guys is go ahead and enter in the title. Let's say we are selling a book. Here you can enter in the price. Let's say we want to sell it for $255. Enter in the postal code and give it a description right here. And after you have selected the condition and so on, you can go ahead and select the continue button right here. And after clicking on continue, now it takes us to this new page where we can select the location again, click on continue. After selecting location, now we can add images guys. So go ahead and add images, and after you're done with adding the images guys, click on done, and it will take us to this new page where after we are satisfied with all the details we have provided, we can go ahead and select and to post the ad by clicking the publish button right here, and we will successfully post the ad and get started with selling that item. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.